Hi, welcome to this Penn Publishing Interactive Website Basics video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your custom domain and add hosting to it. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to pennpublishing.com to register our domain. If you don't know much about Penn Publishing Interactive, we are an online business solutions provider. For anything from hosting to domain registration to website design, etc., we're available. So I'm going to just go here to pennpublishing.com, and today I'm going to try to register pennpubtutorials.com. Now obviously this is a new domain that I'm trying to register. However, if you're trying to transfer a domain, similar process, you can go on here and hit transfer instead. So I'm just going to hit search now, and it's going to go out and let me know if the domain is available, and it's checking right now. I see there's a promotion going on, so I'll take advantage of that. Promo code's right there. So okay, it is available. I'm going to register, and I want to register for 1 year. Once I hit the register, it's going to give me the amount for the year. So I'm going to go to cart because that's all I need right now. The next step, you're going to see the screen. It's going to ask me, hey, you don't have any hosting. Do you want to add hosting? Yes, we do. So I'm going to click on here. For my purposes, we want a Linux package. So obviously you can see there's WordPress, Linux, and Windows available. I'm just going to stick with Linux. And I want their business class package. So I'm going to just hit order now. Then it's going to take me to the screen. Obviously, it's a domain that's already in my shopping cart. Yes, pennpubtutorials.com. I'm going to use it. Now, I get here, and it's going to ask me my billing cycle. Do I want to pay monthly or do I want to pay annually? I want to take advantage of the savings, so I'm going to select 12-month price. And you can see that there, reflected there. So I'm going to hit continue. Now, I have my email is going to be registered for 1 year, and I have hosting. It's asking me if I want ID protection. I do not at this moment, so I'm going to hit continue. Once I get here, it's going to allow me to punch in the promo code that I saw earlier, ICT proud. So I'm going to validate the code, and my discount has been applied. So in this screen, permission accepted. I'm also going to review real quick if the order is right. I want Linux web hosting, which is fine. I want to register pennpubtutorials.com, which is great. And I've added my discount at the bottom. So now I want to check out. Once I check out, it's going to ask me to fill out all this information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video. And when you come back, I'll be logged in so that you can see what the account will look like on the other side. Hold tight. Before we move forward, I just want to point out that once you register a domain, you will get an email just like the one you see on the screen. It'll list all the registrant's information such as name, address, city, state, etc. You will need to click here to verify your email address link at the bottom. Once you do that, you will be taken to a screen like the one you're seeing, and it'll tell you, congratulations, you have successfully verified the registrant email address for the following domains. If you registered more than one domain, you will see those listed there on the screen. I just wanted to point that out before I move forward with this video and show you the control panel. Okay, and I've registered. Once I registered, obviously, and paid, you'll see a similar interface, like the one I have on my screen currently. There's my one service, which is a Linux web hosting package, and there's my domain, which is pennpubtutorials.com. So everything worked. From here, there's a lot more to do, obviously, but this is just initial way to set up your custom domain with hosting. In future website basic videos, we'll show how to actually build the website, and that can go all kinds of ways. So stay tuned to that. So thank you for watching. Hope you've learned something. If you want to get more information, you can obviously visit pennpublishing.com and browse around. You can also email us at sales@pennpublishing.com. If you're on social media, we're on Facebook and Twitter. You can follow us and like us there. And if you are watching this on YouTube, we'd greatly appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Get notified when we release new videos with tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time.